This is Andrew with Missing Remote. I just wanted to do a quick update on the skin that I'd put on the my OnePlus 7 Pro. As I mentioned in the video that I did on it, I put a Slickwrap skin on there to reduce the slipperiness, and it does a great job at that. But as I noted in the video, there was some initial quality issue along the edge here. But I've also, over time, when it's only been a couple weeks even, the wrap has just started to like move around and not stick to the phone the way that I expect it to, which is, not awesome at all. And it's not consistent with the other wraps that I've used in the past, which have been D-brand wraps. I mean, I don't know how different they are. They're 3M, and I think this was a 3M as well. So I don't know, maybe it's a different kind of 3M sticker than the one that D-brand uses. Or maybe there's something with the matte clear plastic that's different from the other stuff that I'd put on my other phones. But none of them did this. I mean, they always need to be replaced after about a year or so, but not after like a couple weeks, where, this is something that I'm probably gonna have to take it off and put a new one on, or I don't know, maybe you can take it out with a hairdryer, but not something that should happen, not something that should happen after 2 weeks.